What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. Welcome back to the channel. I got a story that might just save you guys from falling for unnecessary plumbing expenses. We recently received a call about a clogged kitchen sink in a townhouse. The tenant had already dealt with another company that claimed they couldn't fix the problem without major work, including removing a bunch of pipes and changing them out to new pipes or doing a high pressure flushing. So let's dive into this, into what really happened. So I arrived at the townhouse and the tenant explained the previous company's diagnosis. They insisted on some drastic measures, which raised some eyebrows for me, knowing this complex. I asked the tenant to show me the basement, and what did I find? Lo and behold, the kitchen line actually tied in to the laundry drain. The key here is that line was actually clear at the laundry sink level. There was no major blockages or issues in the basement, which made me suspicious of the previous diagnosis. I decided to roll up my sleeves and get back to work. I removed the P-trap under the kitchen sink and snaked it down. Guess what? About 5 minutes, I had the blockage cleared. It wasn't the pipe or some complex flushing needed. It was just a straightforward fix. A lot of times, when the company wants to make a lot of money, they will say they can't fix it without actually trying. Or they make it look like they were trying. Now the big question is, did the other company try to rip them off? Based off my experience, it seems highly likely. They might have seen an opportunity to make some extra money by proposing unnecessary and expensive solutions. So what's the big takeaway here? Always get a second opinion if something doesn't seem right. Some companies might prioritize their profits over your wallet. If you think it's going to be a simple job, ask some questions. Don't just take the plumber's word for it that you need to spend all this money with something you don't understand. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Always know what you're paying for. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and share it with anyone that might find this interesting and also helpful. Stay informed, save your hard-earned money, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.